milk.
I think it needs a
Say
light
it,
on.
girls.
Hi, there's the cow. There's the cow. Hello, cow. Hello, cow. Wow. Hershey's Chocolate
I'm the quality
Factory.
supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around.
Whoa.
Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions
Here's the
around the
screening.
world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines.
Look at
that
those
screen and
beans.
thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod.
Yeah, whoa. Whoa.
Our cocoa experts carefully
See?
select, sort, and combine beans from various countries
Whoa.
in precise amounts to achieve that unique
Look
and
at that.
consistent Hershey's flavor.
We're gonna go in the roasting. Roasting. James. Whoa.
Look at all the chocolate beans.
I know. Look at that.
We pour the blended cocoa beans
Roasting.
into large revolving roasters, which
Whoa.
get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it?
Oh, it is
Next,
getting
we
hot.
quickly cool the
It's
beans
getting
and
hot.
beat them
It's
into a
getting
raising
hot.
chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called
Roasting.
cocoa nibs. Hey, a good friend of mine is waiting up ahead to tell us more.
Whoa. Look at that.
Hey everyone, below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years.
River.
Generating lots of heat through intense pressure and friction.
Whoa.
The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process.
Milk and sugar coming up. Milk and sugar.
Every day,
Milk and sugar.
pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste.
Hershey's peanut butter cups.
Part of my job is to make sure all the
Hi,
batch milk
James.
meets our high quality standards.
Wait till you can.
Once it passes
Can have,
testing, we mix
chocolate,
sugar
huh?
into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the
Look at
sweet
that.
milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
Whoa, look at the chocolate. Whoa. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Look at that. Look at that.
It smells like chocolate.
Uh-huh. Yum. Look at him. He's salivating. Hi, Jay. Whoa.
We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier. And
Chocolate crumb.
This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture. And of course, that wonderful smell.
Mmm. We can smell.
Those
We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers
Whoa,
that
look at
grind
that.
and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kids to explain the
Chocolate.
next step in the process.
How about this one here? Coming up. Look at this one here. Whoa. You want to go and dip in there, huh? Wow. Look at those chocolate. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
Cool. Yum. Oh, there's the yummy bars.
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups.
That's mommy's peanut butter.
Peanut butter
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolate.
Oh, mine are Reese's peanut butter cups. Look at all those chocolate bars.
Wow. Look at the syrup here. Look at those.
All those kisses. Nice.
That's cool.
It looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
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 Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye, lady.
Bye.
Bye to the tour
Bye.
lady.
Bye. Smile for your picture.
Smile for
Put
your
the
picture.
camera down.